How to add text on screen in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free in less than 2 minutes. So drag your video onto the timeline, like so, and then find the point where you want to add text. And then click T on your keyboard. And then it'll pull up this, and then click and hold on here. And boom, now you can type in whatever you want. And then click Enter, Control A to highlight everything. And then under Essential Graphics, you can click and flush. You can create bigger or smaller text. Or you can go under to Effect Controls. And then under here, Text. You can do the same exact thing. You can even make the text a little bit wider. Or you can make it like this as well. And then under here you have Fill and Stroke. Stroke makes the text more dark in the background. You even have an option to add a shadow. If you want to change the shadow, you click the box, change it to color red. See how it changes. And then under here you have another option to add shadows, or the distance of the shadow. And then here you have another option to add more, so that your text looks a little bit different. And that is how you add text. You can also change the text by double-clicking on the text and click underneath source text. I'm typing in Arial, and as you can see that the text changed to a different font. That's how you add text in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more free editing tutorials like this.